Today, in the topic types of chemical reactions, we will study the second type of reaction, decomposition. Till now, we have studied about combination reaction. So let's start today's lecture of decomposition reaction. Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to continue with the topic types of reactions, and the second reaction which we are going to take is decomposition reaction. Earlier, we have studied about combination reaction in detail. So what is decomposition reaction basically? As its name is suggesting, decomposing means something which is breaking down. Okay, so let's understand this in the simple language. Like earlier we have studied about that particles of matter and have force of attraction in between them. Okay, they have force of attraction in between them. Now, so if we consider it is a block of a solid substance, and when we heat it, then by taking latent heat of fusion, what will happen? This solid will convert into liquid state. Why it is converting into liquid state? Because there is no change in the particles, there is no change in the atoms, but the change is there in the bonding. The bonds are broken and the state is changed. Similarly, this concept is used when we heat any substance, then bonds between the particles become weak and they break or they make. So what will happen? Like for example, if we have any compound and we heat it, so what will happen? The bonds between this compound, the particles which is made up of the atoms which are making this compound, they will break and make simpler compounds. They will form different compounds. Okay, so basically we can understand by a simple reaction like any compound AB we have, and when we heat it, so what will happen? By heating, it will decompose into its constituents, that is A and B simpler products. So when a compound, or we can say substance, breaks into two or more simple substances, then we say it is a decomposition reaction. It is the example of electrolytic decomposition where water is divided or decomposed into its constituents hydrogen and oxygen.